Hello guys, today I will be starting my attempt to solve all the 25 problems on the Advent of Code of the year 2022. I will be solving the challenges in Typescript, and half of the challenges I plan to solve it in Typescript, and the other half of them I will be solving in Rust. I am still learning these two languages, but this will be a nice challenge for me, and I think it will be interesting for you guys to see me learning these languages. At the same time, I will be solving these problems. So let's get started with the first problem. Each challenge today has two problems. The second problem is related to the first one, so we'll be trying to solve the first one in a way that the result and the functions or things that we did in the first problem will be useful for solving the second problem. So let's get started. Day one. First problem is calorie counting. Santa's reindeer typically eat regular reindeer food, but they need a lot of magical energy to deliver presents on Christmas. For that, their favorite snack is a special type of star fruit that only grows deep in the jungle. The elves have brought you on their annual expedition to the grove where the fruit grows. To supply enough magical energy, the expedition needs to retrieve a minimum of 50 stars by December 25th. Although the elves assure you that the grove has plenty of fruit, you decide to grab any fruit you see along the way, just in case. Collect stars by solving puzzles. 2 puzzles will be made available on each day in the Advent calendar. The second puzzle is unlocked when you complete the first. Each puzzle grants 1 star. Good luck. The jungle must be too overgrown and difficult to navigate in vehicles or access from the air. The elf expedition traditionally goes on foot. As your boats approach land, the elves begin taking inventory of their supplies. One important consideration is food, in particular the number of calories each elf is carrying. In a puzzle input. The elves take turns writing down the number of calories contained by the various meals, snacks, rations, etc. that they have brought with them, 1 item per line. Each elf separates their own inventory from the previous elf's inventory, if any, by a blank line. For example, suppose the elves finish writing their items' calories and end up with the following list. Okay. This list represents the calories of the food carried by 5 elves. The first elf is carrying food with 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 calories, a total of 6,000 calories. The second elf is carrying one food item with 5,000 calories. Third elf, okay. In case the elves get hungry and need extra snacks, they need to know which elf to ask. They would like to know how many calories are being carried by the elf carrying the most calories. In the example above, this is 25,000 carried by the 4th elf. Find the elf carrying the most calories. How many total calories does elf carry? Get your puzzle input. Okay, here's the input. Okay, so let's select everything and now let's get started. Okay, day 1. Let's add a new file. Maybe we will call it calories ponto text. Okay, that is right here. So the first thing we have to do is to start counting those calories. Okay, so I will be using also Copilot to help me. I think the challenge will be way easier. Okay. Mm. So the number plus equal plus int input I. Oh no. No, now this is right. Mm. That's right. Okay, let's check. Now we have a list of all the 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 animals with the calories and also their index, if they are the number 0, the first one, the second, the third, and so on. So what is actually the problem? Right here. So find the F carrying the most calories. How many total is the F carry? Oh, how many total calories? Oh, so we have to find the 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 biggest number on this list. Okay, this is 71,924. Okay. So oh, that's one right answer. Let's get to the part 2 of the problem. Your angles somewhere close to get clear enough sign for it. Continue to part 2. Okay. The first half of the puzzle completed provides 1 gold star. Part 2. By the time you calculate the answer to the elf's question, They have already realized that the elf carrying the most calories of food might eventually run out of snacks. To avoid this unacceptable situation, the elves would instead like to know the total calories carried by top 3 elves carrying the most calories. That way, even if one of those elves run out of snacks, they still have 2 backups. Top 3 elves carrying the most calories. Even if one of those elves run out of snacks, they still have 2 backups. Okay, in the example above, the top 3 elves are the 4th elf, then the 3rd elf, then the 5th elf of 10,000 calories. The sum of the calories carried by the elves. How many calories are those elves carrying in total? Top 3 elves carrying the most calories. Oh, this is easy actually, I think. So now we just have to iterate through each of these numbers and create a new list. Okay, create a new list of numbers. No, actually sort the array ascending order. Okay, A minus B. So return the actually so numbers actually, is it better in descending order? This will be B minus A. Okay, so we get the first 3. These are the ones carrying the most calories. So you just iterate through the first 3 elements. Okay. Well, I used camel case here because I am used to work with Python. Oh, I am using Typescript, but I'm not even caring about the types. But okay, that's the first problem. E. So right, actually. Okay, makes sense. So let's answer the second part of the problem. Oh, I forgot to change the... Oh, that's the answer. I think I forgot to change the screen. But, well, right here is the answer. I just sorted the array into descending order, and I summed the first three elements of the array that are the animals with carrying the most calories, and then I asked the to output the sum of the two animals. That's just what the problem asked. I'm so sorry, but okay, let's get back to the problem and answer it. Okay, was right. We finished our first problem, so our first challenge, and we get it right in, I think, just 26 minutes. That's very good, and I hope you guys see the next captures I will be doing then in just a few days. I think the second problem will be out, and if you liked this video, please subscribe and give it a like. I will be doing more videos on programming and also related things. So thank you for watching, and I see you soon. Bye.